Hi, I'm Steve Clunn, and today I'm going to be hooking up the emergency brake switch to disable the main contactor. This way, when your emergency brake is on, you won't be able to go driving your car off. Now right here we have our 12 volts. This is the schematic of our circuit. This is our 12 volts coming from our key, and he's going to come right into this relay here, this automotive relay. The relay has two on positions. One, it's on when the coil is not on, and the other is on when the coil is on. So what happens here is the key comes on and our electricity comes through here, and normally would come through here and engage our contactor unless the brake switch is on. If the brake switch is on, then this coil, this right here, is engaged, and instead the 12 volts will come in and light up this little light, because this part of the coil will be engaged, and that light will let you know that, hey, I got this device, I've got the brake on. We're also going to hook this up to our, by just running another wire from the same point to our back gas cap, our gas door, and we'll put a micro switch on the gas door too, so that when the gas door is open, the switch is on, and that will also ground out that, and in that case turn that on. So a micro switch back here at our gas door, so that when the door is open, this switch will be closed. When the emergency brake is on, this switch will be closed. Either of these switches closed will engage this and pull our main contactor out and light up this light. So that's our circuit. Alright, so inside the car, this is our emergency brake, and I've pulled the wire off of the switch, which is there, and I'll just put a little jumper plug, one of these guys right here, who has the tab that'll go on the what used to be switch, and this will go on. This will go onto this, to the switch itself, and then we'll run that wire over to our console where we'll have our light. Alright, we're finishing up on our relay as shown in the picture. I've run a wire from the brake switch over here to the console where we've got our switch for forward and backward, and we're almost ready to try this out. On this car we've got a forward and reverse switch, so that is what we're going to have canceled out with our little contactor here. So we've got this hooked up the way we were talking about in the book, which I believe is that way. Let's see, which number is that? 87. Let me get my paper. Alright, so it's going to be our pin 87A, which just happens to be in the center. And that's the one that's on unless this contactor is on. And this, relay is on. And this relay won't be on unless the brake wire right here is grounded. We're going to tuck all these inside this wire loom and put all this back together and give it a try. Alright, our car is now set up where if we've got our brake on like that and we turn the key on, we get no motion. We release, I'm pushing on the gas, we release our brake pedal, and now we got motion. There we go, and we're going to also hook that up to the gas gauge, or gas door flap. See you there.